Thousands of fertilized eggs roll on massive conveyors into the secret 2026 chicken mega factory. Huge volumes of eggs flow automatically toward the climate-controlled incubation chambers. Eggs enter the advanced setter machines for precise temperature and humidity control. Automated systems gently turn thousands of eggs inside the massive incubation machines. Advanced candling machines scan thousands of eggs for fertility and development. Advanced candling machines scan thousands of eggs for fertility and development. Thousands of eggs continue rolling through multiple layers of automated incubation trays. Eggs reach the hatcher stage where automated systems prepare for mass hatching. First chicks begin emerging automatically from thousands of eggs in the hatchers. Thousands of chicks automatically emerge from eggs in the massive hatching machines. Newly hatched chicks move automatically onto conveyor systems toward broiler houses. Chicks enter climate-controlled broiler houses with fully automated feeding systems. Newly hatched chicks are automatically separated and moved onto next conveyor systems. Thousands of newly hatched chicks move automatically from hatchers into the next factory section. Hundreds of thousands of chicks are automatically transported into climate-controlled broiler houses. Thousands of chicks enter the large automated broiler houses for rapid growth phase. Automated feeding systems start delivering crushed feed to thousands of young chicks. Thousands of chicks gather around automated feeders and drink water from nipple lines. Advanced ventilation and lighting systems create perfect environment for chick growth. Automated sensors continuously monitor health and weight of thousands of chicks. Thousands of chicks grow rapidly under fully automated feeding and climate control. The broiler houses are now filled with hundreds of thousands of fast-growing chicks. Fully automated systems continue to support rapid and healthy growth of the chicks. Automated systems carefully monitor and check feathers of thousands of young chicks. Advanced cameras scan individual chicks to ensure perfect feather development. Automated systems gently deliver fresh crushed feed to thousands of growing chicks. Thousands of chicks eat from automated feeders while drinking from nipple lines. Automated health monitoring systems check every chick for proper growth and activity. Automated health monitoring systems check every chick for proper growth and activity. Automated health monitoring systems check every chick for proper growth and activity. Crushed feed is continuously supplied through automated lines to support rapid growth. Thousands of healthy chicks show rapid growth under fully automated care systems. Automated systems maintain perfect temperature and humidity for optimal chick development. The chicks continue to grow stronger with constant automated care and nutrition. Hundreds of thousands of chicks thrive under the fully automated poultry production system. Thousands of chicks begin rapid growth and their feathers start turning white. Young broilers develop full white feathers as they grow bigger in the automated houses. White broiler chickens become larger with fully developed feathers in the factory. Thousands of white broilers continue rapid growth under automated feeding systems.
White broiler chickens develop strong bodies and dense white feathers automatically.
Large white broilers are now clearly visible as they grow bigger every day. Thousands of white broiler chickens reach near market size under automated care. Fully grown white broilers fill the automated broiler houses in large numbers. White broiler chickens are now almost ready for the final processing stage. Massive numbers of fully grown white broilers dominate the automated poultry factory. Fully grown white broilers are now ready for automated packing and market dispatch. Thousands of large white broilers are loaded automatically into refrigerated delivery trucks. Automated systems neatly arrange thousands of white broilers inside the refrigerated trucks. Refrigerated trucks are filled with thousands of market-ready white broiler chickens. Fully loaded refrigerated trucks are ready to leave for the market with fresh broilers. Thousands of market-ready white broilers are dispatched from the mega factory. The automated mega factory successfully completes another large batch for the market. Refrigerated trucks depart from the factory carrying thousands of fresh white broilers. Another successful cycle of the automated chicken mega factory ends with market dispatch. This is how millions of white broilers are produced and dispatched daily from the mega factory.